Hey everyone, it's LethalLogicX. Welcome back to another challenge lock video. So I've got another lock here from my big bucket of challenge locks. This one is number 50, pinned by Jeffrey Post. Another great lock, works super well, and I'm going to try and get this one picked on camera today. So this was another very challenging lock that I've had to practice a little bit. And even then, I'm still not horribly consistent, so we'll have to see how this one goes. I'll be using top of the keyway tension with a Sparrow's heavy bar, and I'll be switching back and forth between my two SSDev hooks. So we'll start with the more shallow one. Got a bit of a click there. I think I've got some binding on 5, I don't know. Got a bit of a click there. I think I got a click on 2. Oh, and a click on 1, and I dropped into a very deep falset. This is looking good so far. Got some counter rotation on 3. Okay, got a good click, and number 1 had fallen back down. But it's not binding. Might have lost number 5 as well. Maybe not. I'm not sure what kicked me out of the false set there. Okay, got a good click on, I think, number 4 there. Counter rotation on 3 again. Still not back in that deep false set. Okay, I got some binding and a click on 5 that time. Number 1 isn't binding again. That was a click on 4. Click on 3. Bit of a click on 4. Okay, lost a couple pins there. I might have been overset on something. I think I had a little bit of counter rotation on 4, and I had a click there. Got another click on 3 as well. I'm lost again. Okay. Got my false set back. Click on 4. I think that was a click on 3. I'm going to try switching to the deeper hook now. Yeah, still not finding anything. Must be overset again. I've still got nothing. Can't figure out what's going on. These pins just aren't talking to me. got a good click there on, I think that was number 3. Ooh, that was one heck of a click. I have no idea what's going on in this lock. Oh, good, all the way back at the beginning. Let's try picking the other way. Hey, there's that deep false set again. try something. No, that one won't work. Yes! Oh my god! Holy cow, that only took forever. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm really sorry for the long video, guys, but this was a really tough challenge lock. Oh my goodness. Oh. You have no idea how happy I am that I finally got this one picked on camera. Oh. Oh god, yeah. I'm so sorry for this. Gonna be like half an hour long video. Oh. Okay, let's get this one gutted. Now please, the last thing I want after that is a gutting disaster. Alright, got a shim in there. This should be the right size one. Yep. Oh, whoops. I grabbed two shims by mistake. Oops. Okay, what do we have here? 1, 2... Whoops. Come on, get out of there. 3. That one is 4. Fix that in a second, and that one's 5. Okay, no wonder I was having such difficulties. Looks like every single one of these key pins has an overset trap. There's first driver. There's the second. Of course the spring doesn't want to come out. Why are these springs always shy? There's the third. Ah, different spring. This is why I always dump out springs one by one. You never know when one of them's going to be different. There's the fifth. With another shy spring. Ah, get back here, spring. And number 4. With another small copper spring. Okay, so get some close-ups like usual. My goodness. Yeah, we have some very crazy looking pins. Nothing overly wild. There's no like pin and pin or anything like that. But lots of very deep serrations. Some excellent overset traps. First key pin's actually quite tapered on the bottom. It's rather interesting. Yeah, those deep spools on 3 and 4 that were giving me such heartache. Oh man, this 5th key pin is just crazy looking. Two big old overset traps in it. Ouch. Alright, so that explains why I was having such difficulties with this lock. Oh, I guess we should inspect the core and the Bible. Yep, looks like Jeffrey was abused in a past life because he's put serrations on all 5 chambers. And just the first 4 on the core have been threaded. The last one is unmodified. But still, very evil indeed. Alright, well, without taking up any more of your time, that's all I have for you today. If you liked what you saw and you didn't die of old age during that video, then please comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and don't forget to have a good one.